We're playing. Don't touch. Don't press the button. And what is going on? And yeah, I've been playing this game a lot today. I bought all of this stuff. Dollars. Hey, you got my ball. Give me. God! Hey, yo. Oh my god! Oh, almost died. You guys are dying. Oh no! Hey, you wanna? I'm just gonna eat my ice cream on my feet. Oh! I brain freeze. Okay, I just yum. Ah! I brain freeze. The ice cream brain freeze me. Oh! And here I was going there. Oh my! I'm right above him. Oh yeah. Wait, no, that's not Bloxy color. I'm so sick. Okay, whatever. Why do they look like this? Okay, whatever. Let's go! Guys, let's beat this guy. Come on, guys, go! You're not pushing harder. I need my daddy to push harder. Guys, get this. Get it. Guys, I believe you. You can do this. Red team, I believe you. We can do this. We better get on the team. The teamwork. Oh yeah, we won. Yes, you did a great job, guys. Let me just buy something. Oh no, there's a tornado, guys. I didn't know there was a Coliseum. I'm just gonna. This is too hot. I'm burning. Toxic color. He's super good. My food is way better.
Love it.
Target. Oh my god! Just stay in the middle. I'm so lucky, and I'm the middle guy. Reach the other side.
Sounds like a skill issue. Big boss man, who are you? I'm the final boss toilet 3.0.
So you're the final boss?
Yeah.
Okay, how much health do you have?
It's a lot, but to be more precise, it's. Bro, what are you laughing about?
No, that's a lot, but not a literal tank.
How much do you have? Because decent is expensive. I'm the normal toilet.
Alright, well, today what we need to do.
I don't have anything. Any last words?
No, I was gonna. Oh no! What did everything turn gray same as night?
Hold on. I hate him.
Yeah.
Everybody hates me!
Please.
I'm gonna follow this girl. I bet he's the smartest now.
Son,
We just,
I'm going through your search history.
Just,
What? No
just
one's here.
cheat. Let me just cheat. It's fine. We just look around.
Don't kill me. I don't have anything.
Let me
Any
just
last
cheat.
words?
No one
Son,
knows
I'm
this
going through
trick.
your search
I am a
history.
master.
What? No one's here.
What's that smoke over there? Is that
Please don't kill me. I don't have anything. Any last words?
Is that where that?
I'm going through your search history. What? No one's here.
Is that where you escape? Yes! Person! Person!
Please don't kill me.
No! Wait. Is that top?